Annyeong, Kim C. Mark here. Here's how we made our Samgyetang with our Samgyetang kit and our Tot Sotbap, which is seaweed pot rice. Even though Samgyetang is a hot chicken ginseng soup, it is most commonly eaten during the summertime in Korea. All the ingredients you see here to make this summer specialty is available on our website. For our Tot Sotbap, everything goes into one pot: the rice, the hijiki, and the water. Cook on high for 8 to 10 minutes. When your Samgyetang chicken is cooked all the way through, you can add nurenji, garlic, or even ginseng to make it more gourmet. Serve the Samgyetang with green onion and salt. When the Sotbap is fully cooked, mix and enjoy.